welcome to my channel. My name is Sandrine. Hi. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created my a little photo shoot area for my 20th birthday. So yeah, that's basically it. It was super easy and quick, plus it was cheap. Oh, all this hair. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, all we're gonna do is just glue on all these balloons onto the wall. They're already falling down, so just gonna pump them up. I got a little pump. So this is how it's looking. All I did was just add some fake money that I had left over from my money money dress outfit that I made a while back ago. These money right here. I just scattered them around like this. That's all you have to do. Just put some on the floor. And I got my 2 plants right there. They're the number 20. And then there's the balloons. That's how it's looking. Quick and easy. Perfect for any birthday photo shoots. It looks cute. Plus, it was cheap. So now I'm just gonna model for you guys. I'll try my best.